R&R Heating and Air Conditioning is the #1 call for residential and commercial installation and service because R&R is everywhere. North Spokane to the South Hill, Coeur d'Alene to Airway Heights, hotels and medical buildings, restaurants and homes. R&R is everywhere. R&R has the expertise you can count on and the service you can trust. We're good and we get it done right because heating and air conditioning is all we do. Call R&R first. R&R Heating and Air Conditioning. We're everywhere.